Hey everybody, it's Gil. Welcome to the second video in the series about the PitBoss Pro Series combo grill, pellet smoker and gas grill. In here, I'm gonna go ahead and do just some plain old chicken wings. I have a package of chicken wings, 6 or 8 of them or so are gonna be a dry rub, and another 6 or 8 are gonna be a wet Caribbean jerk marinade. I thought I'd try that just to see how the two different ones work here and if they get nice and crispy on the outside, but stay good and moist on the inside. So I think I'm gonna cook them at about 400 degrees or so for 45 minutes, maybe somewhere around there. I think right near the end, I think I'm gonna open it up and let the flames kind of come up and get a little char on them as well. So we'll play that part by ear, but I'll show you that in a few minutes. So at this stage, it's starting to climb up. It's at 245 degrees. The temperature thermometer right here is showing actually 275. So it's climbing its way on up to the 400. As soon as it gets to that, I will go ahead and put my wings in there. Pretty simple. These are going to be the dry rub wings, and it just has some Tony Chachere's and a little bit of all-purpose poultry seasoning on them. And then I also have the wet jerk wings in a jerk marinade. They've only been marinating for about 20 or 30 minutes. That's it. So you can see we're set at 400 and it's at 270 right now. But if we look up top, we're already showing 3 something here, 325. All right, so I'm showing 340 on the probe down there. I'm showing about 375 right there. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and put them on. Dry rubber going on the left, wet on the right. I've got all these in. I'm going to go ahead and close it down. So it's amazing. That lid is now showing it's down at about 250. My probe's still showing 335, but when you open that, you clearly let quite a bit of heat out of here. It'll be interesting to see. I think there's a little bit of a design flaw. Right behind here, there's actually a bunch of holes in it where a lot of the smoke goes out, as opposed to being able to control it with the damper, keeping it from coming through this side and through the chimney. So it'll be interesting to see if over time I find that this smokes enough, right? I smokes the amount I want. So with that, I will set a timer. We'll come back here and check on these in about 35 to 45 minutes. I think they need a good 45 minutes to an hour, but we'll check on them in a little bit. Well, I will say putting the wings on wet certainly had them stick down to the grate. The dry ones were great. Just flip those over. They cooked up real well. The ones that had the liquid on them, the liquid marinade, it's not quite a barbecue sauce, but it was stuck to it. Those kind of stuck down on the grates a little bit, got real black on one side because I wasn't turning them frequently. I will do another one of those down the road, but it's a good way to test it out. I will see in a few minutes how they tasted, but let me go ahead and get the rest of these pulled off. I pulled off just the last one. Pulled off all the rest and now just have the last one here. So to turn this off is actually pretty easy. All we want to do is turn the dial down to the off position, and then the display will go out, and then we press the power button so the blue light goes out. At this stage, it's now in a shutdown mode, and what it's doing now is burning up the rest of the wood that was in there, and then it's going to continue to blow on that to ensure that it's a safe shutdown, and the motor and everything will just shut down on its own. We've got a couple of goodies here, roasted garlic on this side, and some good roasted vegetables on that side. We'll have it for dinner and see how everything goes. Come here, you want to try one? Come on over here, Swabby.
Just a spicy one.
This one's one of the ones that has the Tonys on it. You like Tonys, right?
Yeah, I don't want to have, I just want to have it when it's cooled down.
Oh, you don't want it hot? Here, you need that?
No.
All right, let's give it a shot. You ready? Oh, it's hot though. All right, we're gonna give it a shot.
Can I taste it?
Yeah. It's good. It's crispy on the outside.
Can I taste it?
It's good on the inside. You bet. Take a little bite right there. It's hot, so I'll hold it. Take a little bite right there. Here, blow on it, right?
I'm scared.
You're scared? Because it might be too hot?
Scared.
All right, I blew on it. Little bite. Too hot?
Too hot for me.
You okay?
Ow.
Does that look because it tastes bad or because it's hot?
It's hot.
It is hot.
Hot on my teeth.
Okay. Here, I got a little piece that's cooled down. There you go. How's that?
That's good.
You like it?
Can I have another tiny piece?
Yep.
It's pretty good, you guys.
All right. Ready? Open up. I'll just put it in your mouth. You like a bird now? All right. Let me get a pretty good sized piece. Let it cool off.
I'm a bird now.
Be right. All right, ready? It's a little warm, but there you go. Hop it in. Good? All right, one more bite from me.
That is my first time
That's good.
trying one of those.
How'd you like it?
I think it tasted good.
Yeah? So you like Tony's on your chicken? That's your favorite kind? All right. There's a little Louisiana in you, isn't there, girl? High five. All right.
Thanks everybody for watching. Bye.
So hopefully you found this useful. Thanks everybody for watching.